Hi, in today's tutorial we will be diving into the world of Microsoft Excel and exploring some useful workbook shortcut keys. Incorporating these shortcuts into your workflow will make your Excel experience smoother and more efficient. So let's get started. The first shortcut we'll cover is Ctrl+N. Use this combination to quickly open a new workbook. This is a handy shortcut if you frequently work with multiple workbooks simultaneously, or if you want a fresh sheet to start from. Next up is Ctrl+O. Use this combination to swiftly open an existing workbook. It opens up a dialog box where you can navigate to the desired file location and select the workbook you want to open. No need to navigate through the Excel menus. This shortcut brings the file directly to you. Moving on to Ctrl+S. This combination is a real lifesaver as it allows you to save your work without interrupting your flow. Whenever you make changes to your workbook, simply press Ctrl+S to quickly save your progress. Remember, it's always a good idea to save frequently to avoid losing any valuable data. Now let's discuss printing. Pressing Ctrl+P will bring up the print dialog box, allowing you to directly print your workbook. It's a convenient way to save time instead of going through the Excel menus to search for the print option. The undo button. Ctrl+Z is a lifesaver when you want to revert a recent change. Made a mistake while entering data? No worries. Just press Ctrl+Z, and the last action will be undone. It's an essential shortcut, especially when you are working on large worksheets. Along with Ctrl+Z, Ctrl+Y, or the redo shortcut is equally important. If you accidentally undo something and need it back, press Ctrl+Y to redo the last action. This shortcut is handy when you realize you've undone something you didn't mean to. Lastly, Ctrl+F, the find function. This shortcut opens up the find and replace dialog box, allowing you to search for specific content within your workbook. Whether you need to locate a specific value, word, or even a formatting style, Ctrl+F is your go-to shortcut. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.